everybody is trying to do more with less, right? And that's just not today. That's from the beginning of production time, right? And that's literally the definition of productivity, right? Getting more out with less.
Almost every week I have a conversation with a technical leader about how to get more productivity out of their team. It's especially difficult right now considering the shortage of quality designers, drafters, and engineers.
So when we speak with customers of ours at the ownership and leadership levels, customers of ours in the engineering and manufacturing community that have been doing business with MLC for decades, overwhelmingly they will tell us that they made the best decision when they chose one of the software applications that MLC represents and supports. But the majority of them will also admit that they had a failure to recognize the importance of investing in professional services and training to optimize the investment they had in the software.
We like to evaluate and really walk the line and understand what a customer's doing. You know, gone are the days of just somebody just saying, oh, we just use CAD, right? Everybody knows they're going to need to use CAD, but it's, hey, how do we interface and what's the next step to make that awesome CAD tool be powerful for everybody downstream?
Well, we can come in, we can review your processes, understand some of the challenges that you're facing, and then implement solutions. That way your team doesn't have to spend a lot of time and trial and error and spend time not working on things that they really need to get done. So by utilizing our services, we have the ability to quickly get you to where you need to solve some of those business challenges.
Most companies are looking for these business outcomes and to solve critical business issues and to continuously improve the performance of their individual users. That is a critical investment that most of them wish they would make, and they would start to make if they're not making already.
Whether it is project planning or IT guidance, we are here to understand your business process, listen to your end goals, and help you through every step of the way.
And so sometimes when customers need people and they need experience and they need help, that's where we come in. And it manifests differently for everybody, right? For all of our customers, they leverage us in different capacities.
One way I often suggest for improving productivity is by taking advantage of our services team to help quickly set up things like templates, libraries, establish standard operating processes so that your team doesn't have to do that. So they don't have to learn on the fly, they don't have to go through all the trial and error while they're also trying to perform their daily activities.
At MLC, we pride ourselves by providing true unbeatable service, backed by decades of real industry experience.
If you're ready to go beyond world-class software solutions and want to see what decades of experience and unbeatable service can offer you and your team, give our local team a call.